Welcome to eStreetSecurity University. Are you interested in a career in cybersecurity? Do you want to learn more about the role of a cybersecurity compliance analyst? A cybersecurity compliance analyst is responsible for ensuring that an organization's cybersecurity policies and procedures are aligned with industry regulations and standards. This includes conducting risk assessments, implementing security controls, and monitoring compliance with laws and regulations such as HIPAA, PCI DSS, and GDPR. Some of the key responsibilities of a cybersecurity compliance analyst include conducting regular security audits and risk assessments to identify vulnerabilities and areas for improvement, developing and implementing cybersecurity policies and procedures to ensure compliance with industry regulations and standards. At eStreetSecurity University, we offer a comprehensive cybersecurity compliance analyst training program that covers all aspects of the role. Our program includes industry-leading instructors with real-world experience, hands-on training and labs to practice your skills, interactive classes and discussions to learn from your peers, a comprehensive curriculum that covers all aspects of cybersecurity compliance. Don't miss out on this opportunity to advance your career in cybersecurity. Enroll in eStreetSecurity University's Cybersecurity Compliance Analyst training program today and start building a more secure tomorrow.